And in the previous video we talked about how different kinds of variables, three kinds of variables. I talked about the instance variable, static variable, and the local variable. So in this video, in the previous video, I talked about two kinds of memory: heap memory and stack memory. I felt that I should talk about it in deep. So the next session I have taken, today's session I have taken on the different kinds of memory. So basically I will discuss about the same program and the memories. Okay, so this notepad I have taken, and I take our old program, so we may discuss about that. And old program was in D, very good, was in D drive and 10 Java folder. It was our program. In the second we can say file, you can see the class file, and the first is Java file. And I already discussed that for every class we create a class file. Okay, always whenever we run that, we compile that code, we get a class file only by compilation. So we have gotten the class file there, but in this video we have to talk about the different kinds of memory. And so I talked about two kinds of memory, so again we are going to take two kinds of memory. So I make some blocks so you can imagine how things happens. Okay, so we are going to make I'm going to make some blocks so that you may understand the things, how things happens. So shape we take some, I'm going to take a rectangle and one more rectangle here inside. I take one more rectangle like this, and I give name them. What are these? So this is stack and it is heap. See, so I made an instance variable. What happens, the class block, I make one more rectangle inside it so you may understand more clear. So I take one more rectangle, this rectangle. What happens in this memory, whenever we create object of any class for access instance variable or instance methods, the block creates in the heap memory. So that I created the object of variable demo by using new keyword. The one thing, very basic thing you want, you should keep in mind, then whatever like for any class, okay, whatever we create using new keyword, understand one thing, whatever we create, we do using new keyword, that always created in the heap memory. So by using new keyword, we have created object of variable demo, and this variable demo, this class and instance variable, whatever in this class which is instance will be in the heap memory. So first we have instance rate, instance variable rate. So rate, where would be rate? Rate would be in the heap memory. So I write inside it, wait, so rate int rate has been created there, 300. And stack memory, we have object reference, it is the reference demo. What is demo? If suppose this block address is something 500, so what is the reference? In the reference in demo, what would I have? I take demo. In the demo I would have, in this demo I would have 500 I would have inside the demo. this this is the stack memory. All the reference of the class, all the reference we create object for of any class. If we assign that object in a reference, means we occupy the stack memory. So in the demo we have taken 500, which is created in the stack memory. And the local variable also be in the stack memory. So this at int phases and whatever 100, so this is in the stack memory. So did you get it? Heap memory are instance variable methods. If I would have method there, okay, inside the class, which is instance, means like that is not static. Where would I create that method? I would create that method inside this block, which is created for this class. I may write the class name so you may understand. Variable demo. So it is created there. Now you are thinking about, we have talked about local variable, we have talked about instance variable. Where is this static variable? So static variable always be created in another kind of memory, that is meta space, okay, which is up earlier before GDK 8. We used to create static variables inside the heap memory, but after 8, from 8 we always create the static, like the Java, not we, the Java always creates the static variables, static methods inside the meta space, which is like it is nothing but OS provides some space for running the application. So that space, in that space are static variables are created. So that I think it is clear to you. In the next video we'll be talking about a program.